So in this video I'll be showing you the Lito X1 and I'll be using my RC2 controller because we're going to be doing the advanced return to home. Now if you watched my previous videos where we went to the abandoned farmhouse and the drone flew through the door to 2 door entrances, but it did have a problem getting back in. Well, today I think DJI's done something to this. But anyway, you're going to understand what I'm going to say now. I think this drone, other than the camera quality, this is better than the Mini 5 Pro. If you're thinking about getting a drone, guys, put this on your list. Because, just watch the video, because yeah, I was blown away. It's amazing. Right guys, so in today's video, bit of planning on this one. So I got my Lito X1 just here. I've got my camera down there. I've got my little camera here. I might have to hold that because that's not going very well at the moment. And I've got everything on the screen. I've got 93%. So just do take off first. Okay. Right, home point's been updated because that's the most important thing. I'm going to put on the video. I'm going to put it on Cine Mode because what I want to do is take this drone down this way. Right. Because what we're doing, guys, we're doing advanced return to home. And I just noticed it's going to be interesting how this works out. Right. And I'm going to turn it. Okay. Now this is the first time I've done this, so I don't really know how this is going to go. So I'm going to go down this way now. Right. There's a couple obstacles there. I have to watch that in a minute. Okay. So it's gone out where... because I'm going to take it outside in a minute. Right. So I've got to drop it down. Drop it down a little bit more. I'm going to fly it out that way. Hopefully not where the seagull's hanging out. Now right in front of me is the pylons. So it's gone outside now. Now if I'm right in thinking, I've still got no satellites yet. Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to fly it underneath those pylons. Yeah. Just raise it up a little bit. Not too much. Okay. Send it out a bit more. I've got it in Cine Mode, remember guys. Now I'm going to send it up. I've still got no satellites. Okay. I think that's high enough. Right, now, this is going to be the best bit. And this is the return to home. And we're going to see what happens. I'm hoping it's going to drop down under those cables. Come on. Do what you're supposed to do. It's doing it, yes. Right, I can see the route already. Still got no satellite position. It's coming, doing what it's supposed to be doing. It's still doing it. It's still doing it. Okay. So I need to do C2. Let's just get the right button. Right. Now that's interesting because when I tried this before, I didn't get that. When I did the, if you remember the abandoned farmhouse. Anyway, it's coming in underneath. Here it comes. Now it's got to go up. All right, it's got me in the picture. I better get out the bloody way. Okay, I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. I want to get this. Alright, do my camera. Okay guys, I wasn't expecting this, especially with the Lito X1. That's interesting. I don't think it's going to land. I don't think it's going to land on a landing pad, but I would be amazed if it did. Right. So is the drone going to turn around? The drone's turning around, and it's landing. It's landing on the landing pad. Not perfect, but it's on the landing pad. Isn't that amazing? I'm going to go up another level. So, and I've got this camera on. This is what happens. You could probably lose connection with me anyway. So, in the second test, I would thought I'd push my Lito X1 even more. And what I've done, you will see me up on a higher level. You will see it in the video anyway. And I thought I'd just see how far I can push this drone. And I was amazed. And because I was so excited, I forgot to put on the screen save on this. But I did have on my Osmo Nano at the time. It's all right. It's a bit awkward, I'll be honest, around your chest, and it's sort of at an angle, but you will get a gist of it. But I also got to apologise for the swearing, because when I suddenly realised I hadn't got on the screen save, I said some swear words. But I like to keep the videos real, guys. I don't want to edit everything out of it. I try and keep... when I go out on these videos, and a lot of people probably notice it anyway, there's no planning. I just go out and I try it. If it works, it works. If it don't work, it don't work. But in this video, this drone... Anyway, watch the vid. I'm going to do the same again, but obviously from down this way. Okay, let's see what happens, eh? It's going to be an interesting one, this. Okay. Now this could be a little bit in back. This could be a bit too much for it. I'm going to keep it in Cine Mode. I'm just going to check. Right, I've got it on bypass, which is interesting. Send it forward. Right. I'm not going to follow this one because it's just too far to go. So I'm going to drop it down. Right. This is going to be a hard one. Okay. So, forward. I still can't see the drone yet. I can see the drone. Okay, I'm going to drop that drone down a bit more. Right. The first camera should be getting it now, and I've got to drop that down a little bit more. Bring it in. Okay. And then I've got to turn it. This is where it's hard to work out I don't want to go too far. Right, hopefully if I turn now. Nope, I'm still too. Okay, let's try it now. I think. Yep. Okay. So. Oh, no. Now this might not work so well then, guys, because I'm having a few problems just lining that up a bit. It wants to go that way. Okay. This could be interesting how this comes back. Right, and I've got a cable hanging just above. Right, now I need to go forward a little bit more because I want to be sure I'm off the ledge. Right, I know what we can do. Let's drop the gimbal down. Yep, so that's another. Now I don't think it's going to do the gimbal. That'll be interesting. Right, I'm going to turn the drone now. Right, so this is going to be hard because right, just need. Right, that didn't help. Oh, fuck's sake! I forgot to fucking record any of it. Fucking hell. Right, so that's. I think that's what happens when I get too involved in things. I forget that I've even got the screensaver on. Right. I can't see those pylons at the moment. And I'm only. Okay. Right, I'm going to come up. Yeah, I didn't see the pylons, which is not good. Right, so anyway, I got satellites outside. I've gone a little bit further than I did on the other one. So, let's see what happens, eh? This is going to be interesting. Right, for one, we've got the cable, and I can see the cable now, and it's just dropping down underneath the cable. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Right, you can see the route on the outside of the building. Right, it's going to say C1, C2, C2. Yeah, I pressed the C2 button. Yeah. Okay, so I've done that. Okay, I've hopefully, it's a bit of broken glass here. You can see me if I'm waving. Okay, so it's coming on its first bit. Right, this is where we might have an issue because I was quite close to that wall, wasn't I? But it seems to be doing it at the moment. Yep, yep. This is another bit where it was a bit close to that wall. I can hear the drone. Now I should be seeing that drone in a minute as it's coming around the corner. Right. Yep, I can see it. I can see the route as well because it's got to come up in a moment. What I don't want it to do is obviously come up onto the ceiling. But at the moment, I wasn't expecting this, honestly. Yeah, I'm blown away. Right, so it should, because it is going to be quite close to that. I just want to capture that. Right, so it should be coming up. There it is. Look at that. What? Now I thought the Mini 5 Pro was amazing until I took this out today. And would you believe, if you can pick that up, it's on the H. Isn't that amazing? The summary, I tell you what, this, I'm blown away with it, because really this test was going to be with the Mini 5 Pro, and I was going to do what this has done, but with the Mini 5 Pro first, because I wasn't expecting it to do anything, even coming in. And it looks like DJI has added that little extra now when it's complicated for it to get in. You just press that button, and that drone, I could have gone up further really. I mean, the only thing I forgot to do on the second one was I forgot to put, one, the screen save on, and two, the record. But you saw it coming back. That's got to be amazing. And you know, I have been saying the Mini 5 Pro is probably one of my best drones, but to be quite honest, this one has replaced it, because I wasn't expecting that. So it's a bit of a long test, guys, and I was going to make it even longer because I wanted to do the Mini 5 Pro, but to be quite honest, there's no point. If this can do it, the Mini 5 Pro shouldn't have any problems. And the other amazing thing, it was on the landing pad, especially the last one. It was virtually a precision landing. So yeah, passed. And yeah, guys, if you're thinking about buying a drone, okay, so maybe the picture quality's not great, but don't forget, guys, this camera is exactly the same as if you bought the Mini 4 Pro. So it's not that bad. So, as always, there's going to be another video coming right soon up!